I gotta get there. If you repented and you've been baptized, your ticket is free. Now come on, let's ride. Holy train, I wanna ride on that holy train. Holy train, come on, let's ride on that holy train. Men and women, boys and girls, everybody wanna take it to the holy world. All kinds of people standing in line. Get a ticket from Jesus, don't waste no time. Come on, y'all, holy train. Anybody I wanna ride on that holy train. Come on, y'all, let's ride. Holy train. Anybody here wanna ride on that holy train? Come on, let's ride. Come on, let's ride. Train.